Here is how to permanently delete your Facebook page.
Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon at the top. In the top right, use the profile switcher if needed and select the page you want to delete. Once you are on the page profile, tap the three-line menu, then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Your Information section and choose Access and Control. Select Delete Page, then tap Continue, and tap Continue again. Facebook will give you the option to download your page data. You can download it if you want or simply tap Continue. Enter your Facebook password to confirm. Then tap Continue. And finally tap Delete Page. Your page will then be scheduled for permanent deletion.